Welcome. My name is Christian Skies, and in today's relaxing audio journey, you find yourself at the edge of a forest, overlooking an empty golden sand beach. You look up and you see a clear blue sky with puffy white clouds drifting sleepily. Tired from your journey, you sit down on the warm, soft sand. Looking straight ahead, you can see the ocean in its purest form. No boats, no people, no birds. Just pure blue ocean, waves glistening in the sun. You look to your right and you notice a tree branch which has drifted for a while, only to find its way onto the same beach as you have. You look to your left and you see two small crabs in the distance, waving their pincers happily in the air and having a little dance. You smile to yourself, close your eyes and relax your neck, allowing your head to gently move down a bit towards your chest. It's not often that you allow yourself to do this, but the timing feels right. And so, for at least a few minutes, you can defocus your mind. Instead of thinking about the future, you allow yourself the chance to, at least for a while, not think of anything at all. Using your breath as a central focus point, you slowly begin the unwinding process. You take a deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to feel just a tiny bit more relaxed. You take another deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to let go of any negative feelings brought on by your day-to-day. You take a deep breath, counting to 5. You hold it for a moment, and then with each breath that you take, you allow yourself to move one step closer to complete relaxation. Let us simply breathe for a minute and enjoy the sounds around us. thank you for listening. I hope that this audio journey has helped you unwind, or maybe even fall asleep. Even though these videos are a lot of fun to write, record and produce, they are also very time consuming to make. If you want to support my work and allow me to make more of these in the months and years to come, I have a few donation options down below in the description. Also, if you're curious about what kind of equipment I use to make these audio journeys, such as microphones, recorders, etc., I have a link down below for that as well. Thank you for sticking around until the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.